You're a good singer.
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Good morning. Starting the day off at the farmer's market again.
It's crazy.
It's so
many
busy.
more people.
There's so much going on here. It smells so good.
Looks so good. We're showing Gigi.
Yeah, Gigi's back there. You can see her.
And Junie is hanging out with Grandpa.
Yeah.
Beet juice.
Kvass.
Kvass? What is that?
Meat, potatoes, and bread.
I know it's from Russia.
Starchy, like lots of
It's a digestive aid.
So
Ooh.
that's why we
Good for you.
have sauerkraut.
Gigi's learning all about all the things.
Plus vitamins because
So we're gonna try a new fruit. It's called a lilikoi. You wanna try it? You just bite and you can eat the seeds.
It's like a,
You like eat the whole thing, kind of like pomegranate and guava. It's good.
so good.
It's really good.
why are you laughing?
Look at it. Hasn't the like tart hit you yet?
Oh, chew it on the sides of your tongue.
It's like it's sweet, and then all of a sudden you keep eating it, and then here comes the tart. Boom.
Maybe you and June have the same
Yeah,
palate.
'cause it's,
I like it locked my jaw up.
I'm like, oh, there's the tart.
I taste it, yeah.
Mmm.
That's good though.
Isn't it yummy?
Not the reaction I was going for. You should have seen me.
Okay, so besides that lilikoi, lilikoi, which I think is really good. Yes, there is a tart aftertaste, but I think it's really
it
good.
literally felt like I tried like a warhead or sour
No
patch.
way.
Yeah.
Not that strong. But then
This
we
is
also
my
got
favorite.
yeah, so we got
Apple
these.
bananas.
Apple bananas, nothing added. They're so sweet, dehydrated, and then
tastes like gummy.
so I got this little jar, and inside is these homemade like ginger chew things, ginger candies. They were so
Help with
good.
nausea.
Yeah. And then we got some
Goat cheese. Ooh.
fresh chevre goat cheese, dill and garlic. This sounds good. Let's eat some
Try
right
it.
now.
I'm trying to get everything out of your hands.
And then a couple other things we got. I just ran out of face cream, so I got this skin serum. It's just an oil. It's all made on Maui. The guy makes it himself. There's all kinds of oils in here. And I did a little test on my hand, and I really liked it. So I'm gonna try this. And then we got a couple other things. Where's that beet juice stuff?
The what?
Is that the last thing we got? The kvass?
Oh yeah, the kvass.
Kvass. This is like a fermented beet juice that's supposed to be really good for your digestion and blood pressure and general health. I'm gonna try it this week. We're gonna all just drink it and try it and see how it makes us feel. But
I don't like the taste of beets, and it doesn't taste like beets.
yeah, no, it's
really
really
good.
not like a strong beet flavor at all. And it's actually a little bit carbonated, so I don't know, it's good. We're thinking it might be counterproductive, but we're thinking we might use it to make like a mixed drink, which sounds really good. But I think I want to try to make it. If I like it, I want to try to make it this winter because it's kind of like how you can make kombucha, but it's different. It's with vegetables. So, okay, so I would say that was a very successful farmer's market morning, and now we're all just gonna like dig into everything that we got.
So our farmer's market smorgasbord.
Yum.
Oh, that dog cheese.
Is that good, Bug? Is that a yummy smoothie? I think so.
You like that?
So it's been kind of like another rainy day around here. So after the market, we've just been hanging around the house, relaxing. But we're heading out. We're eating lunch at this awesome place. We've been here before. The food is so good. What's it called? Jaws?
Jaws Country Store.
Jaws Country Store. So yummy.
No, it's so good.
What is that? You don't want that? I think it's a macadamia. Alright you guys, we're back home from eating so much good food today. We had a blast eating all that yummy food. Hawaii has some good food. Just just remember that the next time you're here, make sure to explore all the different food options, especially the places not like at the resorts and stuff. Go out into like all areas of the island and try all the food. It's really good. But before we go, so we went to this restaurant for dinner, and June did something that was so adorable. I can't even believe she did it. She surprises me every single day, but here's what she did at dinner.
I've been standing on the edge of the water as long as I can remember, never really knowing why. And I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I came back to the water, never knowing how hard I tried. I see stays behind me. One day I'll fall I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island, has her on this island. Now it's mine. Lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me. So let me know. Beyond that line, will I cross that line? See the side where the sky meets the sea. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind and the sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. Let's hear from my guest singer. Thank you so much. You're a good singer.
Can you believe she did that? It was so cute. Like at the beginning, she wasn't really into it. She wasn't really singing, but then at the end, she was like full on singing into the microphone. I don't know if the audio really picked it up, but she was singing in the microphone, and it was just so funny. It was a restaurant. There wasn't too many people in the restaurant, but still, she gets props for getting up there and singing in front of the restaurant. I guess she's just becoming a little performer here. She performed in the luau, and now she's singing at restaurants. She's gonna be like doing her own gigs here soon. Leave some comments of support down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Be where your feet are.